I usually don't. So yeah, this is 5055 Vogel. It's 3 bedrooms and an Arizona room. It's bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2. They have closets. This is the bathroom. Nice bathroom. Yep. Really nice bathroom. We got linen closet. We got large master bedroom with mirrored closet doors. Master bathroom has nice tiled shower surround. Yeah. There's the master bedroom, ceiling fans. So I'm going to stand over here and give you a nice shot of the master. I'm in the back corner, plenty of room there. Turn off that light. Back down the hallway here. Again, we got the main family room, living room. The nice thing about this house is it's a nice bonus Arizona room. Plenty of sunlight. And it's got a evaporative cooler here. And then this nice thing about this house is it also has a nice strip of grass here in the back, so the kids can play and enjoy all that. And we'll go out here, nice covered patio. And we'll go right here to the side of the house. And it has a good side yard, real decent side yard with an RV gate. Very, very nice. Little grass in the back for the kids to play. Locked up again so nobody can get in. Back into the living room. This is a nice little dining room. A nice shot of the kitchen. Okay, so we got refrigerator, nice dark cabinets, double sink by the window so you can see outside, electric stove, and here we are in the dining room, or extra family room. So quite a big space here. There's a door that goes back out to the side yard, and then we've got a nice shot here of nice 2-car garage, washer dryer hookup, hot water heater, and extended garage.